to my channel. In today's video I will be showing you guys how I make my Dubai cookies. Let's get right into it. I'm going to start off by cutting my butter into cubes. Now we're going to mix this and add our sugars. Here we have our sugars and we're going to add it to our butter. And we're going to let it mix. Then we have our eggs and our vanilla. We're going to add it to our sugar and our butter. Now we have our dry ingredients and we're going to add this to our wet ingredients and we're going to let it mix until everything is well combined. This is what we have so far. Now we're going to add our chocolate chips. We're going to let it mix just for a little bit so it's all combined. And then comes the fun part where we do our katifi. I don't even know how to say it, y'all, so don't come at me. But yeah, let's get right into that. We're going to start off with this. We're going to open it and we're going to put it in our pan, and then we're going to add butter and we're going to let it until it gets like a brown and golden look to it, and then we're going to add the pistachio butter. So after we have this on the stove, we're going to let our butter melt and we're going to keep mixing it until it turns golden. Now that we have our katifi done, we're going to add our pistachio. This is what it's looking like so far. Y'all, listen to this crunch. Listen to this crunch, y'all. So satisfying. Okay, now we're going to weigh our dough and make them into these balls. They weigh 5.5 ounces. Now we are going to add the katifi filling inside, and we're going to roll our balls and we're going to set on a parchment paper, and then they are ready to go in the oven at 350 degrees for 15 minutes. Now the cookies are in the oven. Look how good they look. I also was doing a Cookie Monster, so that's why that little blue one is in the bag. Now we are adding our pistachio cream over the cookie, and before it dries, we're going to add actual pistachios on top, and look how delicious it looks. I didn't get a final look on the actual cookie, but this is the step that we do for all of our cookies. Each cookie is wrapped individually, and each cookie has their own label with ingredients. If you guys like this video, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And like always, turn on post notifications so you never miss a new video. Also, our website is down below if you guys would like to place an order. See you guys in the next one. Adios!